why not selling to a prospect will actually increase your sales closing rate. Yep. Yes, it's actually true. Sometimes it's actually best to take away the sale from a prospect, which will ultimately get that prospect to want the product even more, but also get them a little bit more dedicated to actually do the work necessary to get the results that you are offering them. So hear me out here. So in my wellness business, and for years and years and years, I would actually sell to people that probably were not a good fit for my program, and they were a drain to the business, to the other trainers. It was, and they wouldn't get the results. And then they would tell people that, I'm working out with Tom and I'm not getting results. And that's just bad PR, right? So the moment that I started to identify what were really good prospects, what were very good clients, and then whenever I had an interview with a potential client, a prospect, I would actually make a decision whether I wanted to work with that person or not. And that comes from a place of real confidence that you are willing to say no to somebody that wants your services when you know very well that you're not able to help them. So for instance, and this story is a classic story, by the way, I had this prospect that came into the facility. His name was Peter, and he was overweight, wanted to lose weight, wanted to get on the nutrition program and all that. And one of the questions I always ask is, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, how committed are you to actually doing the work necessary to get the result that you want? Not how committed are you to our program or anything like that, but just how committed are you to actually doing the work to get the result? And he said 7. And I knew from experience, anybody that was lower than an 8 would not do the work necessary. And so I told him point blank, I was like, look, Peter, 7 is like a C. Like if you get a 70 on a paper, that's a C, that's average. Well, we don't do average work here, and I don't expect my clients to do average work either. So why don't we just put this on hold right now, and when you're ready to fully commit to your health and fitness, then you can come back. And at that moment, I just saw it on his face. It was like, wait a second, you're taking this away from me? Like, no, really, no, I'm a 10. When he came back with it, I was like, no, Peter, I don't believe you, that you can go from a 7 to a 10 in a couple seconds. And so we had a conversation about what had been going on in the past and how he was a little bit afraid of making a change and all that. And we came to an understanding, and he actually did purchase one of the largest packages that we offered. And in his first 3 months, he lost 50 pounds. He was fully committed, but it was because I took away the sale from him and had a further conversation with him about why this was important for him. He then became very, very committed to doing the work necessary. And oftentimes we can increase our sales, increase the joy that we get from the people that we work with, that we're helping, when we actually give them some hard truth and a little tough love and take away what it is that they came in for. And it may seem counterintuitive, of course, that you're in a sales position, you want to sell the program. Well, at the end of the day, you can't sell to everybody. You can't help everybody. And it's the best interest of your business to be very picky about who you help. Well, I hope that helps for you. I'd love to hear what your comments are. So make some comments down below. And until next time, have a great day.